Hello, I'm Frank from Carado and I'm going to show you our needs filter today. Let's work together to find your dream motorhome that could perfectly match your ideas using exemplary filter options. Visit our website at carado.com and click on the Motorhome tab. Select the sub-item Serious Overview. Please accept the legal notice to use the needs filter. Scroll down a bit until the needs filter appears. I will show you some filter options as an example. Let's say you are looking for the ideal vehicle for your family of 4. Then select, for example, 4 for at least 4 seats. Also select 4 for at least 4 sleeping places. Now you can select the vehicle length. For example, up to 7.5 meters. Finally, you can specify your budget. For example, select up to 70,000 euros. That was an example. Simply adapt the filter to your individual wishes and needs to find the ideal motorhome for you. Click on Next and you will be shown the right Carado motorhomes and camper vans that meet your specified needs. You can now see more details such as equipment and technical information about the models and explore the vehicles in more details by clicking on More Details. Once you have found your dream vehicle, you have the option of making an individual configuration and then requesting an offer from a dealer. See you soon on the road with your new Carado motorhome.